Hi, this is Joe Ose, and I am doing an art unboxing. We're looking at the brand new Crayola Retired Crayons Limited Edition. They have brought back 8 retired colors. This brings back a lot of memories for me. I love Crayola crayons. The original colors were introduced way back in 1903. The original colors were red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, brown, and black. So this one here is mulberry. When I was a kid, we actually had a mulberry bush in my backyard. Orange red. A little bouncing ball. Boing. Magic mint. Well, I think we can finish my mulberry bush. Raw umber. Oh, I think that will work just fine for the trunk of the mulberry bush right there. Dandelion. I love this color so much. It's one of my favorites. I use this in a lot of my drawings when I color them in. It's just such a fun, vibrant, colorful, just so bright. A violet blue. Oh, that's really nice, isn't it? We've got a lemon yellow. Now this isn't quite as vibrant, but no, it still does show up. It shows up really nicely. And let's see. Blizzard blue. Now see, that is a great daytime sky color. It's fun to just sit and color sometimes. It's a wonderful, just sort of creative exercise. I draw a lot and I don't spend as much time coloring. I do most of my coloring on a computer, but coloring with a crayon is just such a great experience because it brings back such tactile memories of my childhood, of just sitting coloring for hours and hours and hours. Coloring in coloring books and coloring is also a way that we learn how to draw. I always say you only need 3 things to be a cartoonist. Something to draw on, something to draw with, and your imagination. You can use anything to draw. Pencils, markers, and yes, even crayons. Or as we say in Pittsburgh, crayons. Although they're from Easton, Pennsylvania. That's the other side of the state. I don't know what they call them in Philadelphia.